What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Ty Man back with another update on the Pamm account. So far this week, it's only Tuesday, and we're down so far about 8% on the account. Total gains has been 126%.62. Max drawdown, you can still see is still at the 26.76. We haven't really reached that 30% still. Like I said, I have a 30% equity protection on this account. So at any time, the most that the drawdown will ever reach will be 30%. Today we haven't closed out any trades yet, guys. We still down, like I said, 8.9%. Profit difference, we had lost 15.56. And for the most part, that's the only difference. And new things with this MYFXBOOK. We're in some trades right now. We're running positive. Last time this updated at 13.38 in profit, and then we negative 139 on the swap fees, guys. And total, man, we in here at 10 lots. And then now I'm about to share the screen. So as y'all can see, we floating right now $1,000 in profit, and as you can see, this is my Pamm account with Envifx. Yeah, so right now, like I said, man, you know, we just holding. We holding for a swing trade. And let me see if I can go to the history, and then if I go back to the 17th, because like I said, we lost Friday and Monday. We lost a total of $12.79. That was the total loss, and we almost already back into recovery from that loss. So if y'all want to stay up to date about what's going on, make sure that y'all join this Telegram channel. Make sure y'all join this Telegram. The link to join this Telegram is in the description below. Also, like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn them alerts on so you can get an update with all of the newest videos that I drop. And see y'all in the next update. Peace.